Quick Effect Coating Agent is an intriguing car care product that positions itself as a fast-acting spray, capable of transforming your vehicle's paint while providing a protective, hydrophobic layer that repels water, dirt, and minor scratches. After testing it thoroughly, it's clear that the product delivers on its promise of instant visual improvement. Applying it to a clean, dry car creates a noticeable shine and a smooth surface that makes the paint appear refreshed and polished. Its convenience is a major selling point, especially for car owners who want a quick and easy maintenance solution without investing in professional ceramic coatings or detailed multi-step treatments. However, while the initial shine is impressive, the protective effect is relatively short-lived compared to high-end ceramic coatings that chemically bond to the paint. Repeated washes or prolonged exposure to environmental elements reduce its effectiveness. Another consideration is product consistency, as variations between bottles can affect results, making it less reliable for long-term paint protection. That said, for casual users who prioritize speed, ease, and a temporary showroom-like appearance, Quick Effect Coating Agent is a legitimate and practical choice. It should be approached with realistic expectations, acknowledging that it is a convenient cosmetic enhancer rather than a permanent solution for paint preservation. Overall, this product offers genuine short-term benefits and an enjoyable DIY experience, making it a solid option for car enthusiasts who want quick results and minor protection without the complexity or cost of professional-grade treatments.